Good morning everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you an example of letter writing. Then we will discuss how to write letter writing, how to following some important points and follow the format of the letter writing. In previous video we had discussed about why it is important to know how to write a letter, then learn some important points. After that we came to know that how to know the format of letter writing. So let's get started. First of all, here you can see these are the points that we had discussed yesterday. After that, format of the letter, that how should we write the letter. Now we will discuss letter of complaint. So first of all, in formal letter, sometimes when need to, we have to raise complaint against some organization or some people, we need to write letter of complaint. But if we are unable to know the how to write the letter, the receiver might get not understood that what we have written. So it is very important to know the format and keep in mind some important points we have to keep in mind while writing the letter. So complaint letter are usually written to business firm, water supply boards, telecommunication board, electricity board, sewerage board and several other organizations. Their purpose is to remind the people of these firms about their defective product or poor services. It is extremely important to provide all the details in your complaint letter, as the information can be further used for verification. So complaint letter we usually written to business firm, water supply board, all the other organization, that when there is an issue, we have to write the letter to the organization. And the purpose that why we write the letter to remind the people of the organization or firm about the defective product or about their duty that they are not performing well. So that's why we have to raise complaint against that people or organization. It is extremely important to provide all the details in your complaint letter, as the information can be further used for verification. While writing the complaint letter, we need to provide all the details in the letter, as the information can be further used for information in future purpose. The letter should demand immediate response, speaker decision or positive action in order to resolve the complaint as soon as possible. While writing the letter, it should demand immediate response so that the receiver will take an action again, and quicker decision or positive action in order to resolve the complaint as soon as possible. And also the message, the information that we are providing through the letter, it is very convenient and should be direct and credible. So here you can see the question: write a letter to the postmaster, General Post Office, Pithoragarh, complaining of late delivery of letter. You are Mohit Mona of Takna, Pithoragarh. So you need to suppose to be Mohit or Mona, where you are living at Takna, Pithoragarh. So first of all, you need to write your name and your address, sender address, we have to write it. After that, we need to mention on the date, exact date, that is on which date we are going to write the letter. After that, we need to write the receiver name, their designation and the organization name and the location of the organization. Then we, after writing the receiver address, we have to write subject, and in subject we have to mention the purpose of writing this letter. After that, we need to add salutation like respected sir or respected madam. If the person is lady, we need to address respected ma'am. After writing salutation, the main most important topic of the part of the letter writing, that is subject content, we need to write it. While writing the subject content, first of all, we have to provide introduction about regarding why we are writing the letter, then give some explanation. After that, solution or suggestion, give some suggestion. So first, in the first paragraph, you can see, I am going to read it. This is to bring to your kind notice that the beat postman of our area is not performing his duties well. He never delivers our letters, money order, parcel, etc. on time. He visits only once a week and delivers the letters of the whole week that day. As a result of his careless attitude toward duty, we often get deprived of the important information of marriage, death, etc. of our relatives and friends. So, first paragraph, we need to give an introduction about that. Notice, we have to give notice that the post office, the postman of our area is not performing his duties well, and he never delivers our letter parcel on time. He visits only once in a week and distribute all the letters that he had received on that day. So, as a result of this, we the people have not got the letter on time, have not got the parcel on time, and we are deprived getting the important message of married or someone death of our relative and friend. Next paragraph, several times people could not reach on time to attend the interview or join service due to the negligence on the part of the postman. We have repeatedly requested him to be regular and deliver the letter on time, but he paid no heed to our request. So, again, second paragraph, we have to explain more and more that explain the reason why, what is the reason why we are facing, why we are writing the letter facing this issue, because most of the people could not get the attend the interview or joining service due to the neglect of the part of the postman. Because if the postman had not delivered the letter or joining letter or whatever on time, the people have not got any information on time. That's why, and also we have to write, we have repeatedly requested him to be regular on punctual, deliver the letter on time, but he took no interest. So therefore, I sincerely request you to personally inquire into the matter and take immediate action for the redressal of our grievance. So after that, we have to close this letter by adding this, that I request to you kindly consider, look in this matter and take immediate action, redressal of our grievance. Grievance means complaint, both are similar, synonym. Okay. After that, you need to add complementary closing, adding yours faithfully or your gratefully or your sincerely, whatever you want to write, like it, write it. And after writing yours faithfully, you have to mention again your name, your location, and if it is it necessary, then you have to sign bottom of the complementary closing. So that is the format we have to follow while writing complaint, while writing complaint letter to the organization. So this is the format you have to follow, and I hope you have understood it. So you have to watch again the format some important point and follow this point while writing the letter and follow the format. This is the format that I have given to you. First you have to write sender's name, then date, then name and the address of addressee, subject, salutation, body of the letter, complimentary clause, and then signature. So all types of formal letter we need to follow this format. I hope you have understood. So next time we will discuss more example in the next video. Thank you.